Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to fund Alipay account with Naira. This is really easy, and I hope this video was easy. Um, this is really easy. The first step you need to do is you need to open your Naira app, and then once you have your Naira app open, you need to add money. Okay, you need to add money. You need to click this button right here, and then you add your money. Once you add your money, you need to convert this money into Chinese money or currency. Okay, and click this button right here. You can change you to your Chinese balance. As you can see, we have zero currency in this balance. So you need to convert. You need to convert this amount right here into uh, into Chinese currency. Once you have done this, you need to click this button right here called send. Once you click send, in this section you can select all the uh, all the options to send money directly to Alipay. It's really easy. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. Please uh, comment and subscribe if this video was helpful.